Every app you use from Netflix to Uber runs on databases. But here's the truth. No single database can do it all. That's where Polyglot Persistence comes in, the smart way to use multiple databases, each chosen for what it does best. Imagine an e-commerce platform. It uses SQL for transactions, MongoDB for product catalogs, GraphDB for recommendations, and a time series DB to track user activity. Each one is a specialist in its job. So why go polyglot? Because it boosts performance, adds flexibility, improves scalability, and delivers a seamless user experience. Netflix recommendations, Uber's driver matching, they all rely on mixing the right databases together. Big players are already doing it. Netflix uses Cassandra for scale, MySQL for billing, Redis for caching, and Elasticsearch for search. Uber uses Postgres for transactions, Redis for real-time data, Cassandra for geodata, and Hadoop for analytics. But it's not all easy. More databases mean more complexity, higher cost, and tougher integration. That's why best practices matter. Start with real business needs. Use microservices so each can pick its ideal database. Connect them through data pipelines like Kafka, and keep monitoring and security consistent across all. The goal isn't to use many, it's to use the right one for each job. That's what makes your system faster, smarter, and ready for the future. Polyglot Persistence. The secret behind today's most powerful, scalable, and intelligent applications.